this video, we're going to look at 3 stocks for tomorrow based on options, algo, technical, fundamental, and AI. So this is a general disclaimer that this is not investment advice. I'm not a financial advisor. This video is for entertainment purpose only. So as I told you, we are going to apply fundamental, technical, algo, options, and artificial intelligence to pick 3 stocks which you can trade for tomorrow. Here we are on the TradeItix website. They're looking at today's option flow. So we are going to pick the first stock is SPG, right, which had $184 million calls and 0 puts. So there's a lot of very high amount of calls. Next is GOOG, Google, which has 42 million puts and 0.4 million calls. Okay, that's the next one. And then we are going to look at Draftking, DKNJ, which has 14 million calls and 0.3 million puts. So SPG looks very bullish. So let's now look at the stocks individually. So here we are looking at the stock SPG. The current price is 134, and then we are looking at the chart here. So if you put the support and resistance line, so you can see that the stock is just above the resistance line. It has just crossed the resistance line. So obviously for it to get back to below this line, it's going to be a little difficult. So now let's look at projection. What the projection says. Projection says it's going to go up. Okay, so that's the technical. From the technical angle, let's look at what the AI tells us. Okay, AI is telling basically us it's a 69% bullish call from the AI also. Let's look at options. So options, heavy option flow, mainly all premium buys. So algo is also bullish. Okay, so all bullish. You can see the open interest. Open interest is 130, 135, 140. Very high open interest here. Call open interest. Okay. So unusual contracts. You can see here. You can also see the flow. 45 million on 50 puts, 50 calls. Okay. So this could be also. Let's see the strike price. So 130 strike, a lot of 130, 125, 125, 125. So this could be a calendar diagonal spread also. Okay, so all around bullish. So next stock we are going to look at is Google, which is basically the option flow basically says negative. So let's look at the technical aspect of it. Support, resistance. So if you look at the location where the price action is above the resistance level, so it has crossed the resistance and then above. So now it has become a support. Okay, so if you simulate, it's also telling it's going to go up, but the put flow is very high. So now let's look at the trading AI. AI is basically negative, 64% negative. Okay, let's look at the option flow. Option flow is only 95% is puts, right? 0.6% is calls. So net premium, so bullish. Algo is bullish. You look at the open interest on the put side. You can see from 2300 to 2660, even 2790. Right. So current stock price is 2911. So they are saying that it's going to come down to this area here. But for the stock, there's not much what I'm saying. The premium is quantity is little high, little low, but that's what it's predicting. Next stock is Draftking. There is no PE here. Okay, so P is negative. So now let's look at the support resistance line. So it basically crossed the resistance line and now it became a support. So it's a good bullish candle which cut across the resistance. Similar projections, it's going to go. It's saying it's going to go up. Okay. Let's look at the AI. AI is basically negative. Although called bullish flow, option flow, AI is negative. Let's look at the option flow. So it's 95% is calls. Algo is bullish. You can see 60. Currently stock is at 63, 65 and 60. 65 and 60 are the major strikes. So if you look at the open interest, 60, 62 and 65 and then 68. Okay. So this stock, I would suggest that it should go up maybe $3 or $4. Thanks for watching the video. Please click and subscribe and also comment for future videos also. Thank you.